Everyone, welcome to G Auntie's Kitchen. In the last video, I did a prelude to saving yourself a long trip to getting baking and cooking ingredients and also saving money. So please continue watching what I do to save money, time, and energy or stress. When a recipe calls for a tablespoon or two of corn flour and cornstarch, of course, you wouldn't want to buy this whole pack of cornstarch or corn flour, which you will not use again. Then they sell in cups, but buying things in cup full, you do not know the hands that have handled it. Is it hygienic, and particularly the expiry dates? The recipe calls for a tablespoon of corn flour, particularly in thickening of soups and making puddings. What you need to get is 2 tablespoons of regular flour. So 2 tablespoons of flour is equals to 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Another thing you could use flour to substitute is tapioca. Sorry, I couldn't get tapioca. So for a tablespoon of tapioca, you need 1.5 tablespoons of regular flour. So if it's 2 tablespoons of tapioca, then you need double of this, which is 3 tablespoons of flour. Another substitution is using honey instead of sugar. Is honey cheaper than sugar? No, but it's worth it for prevention. And if you have health issues like diabetes, this is the best thing to use. So in a recipe, if it calls initially for a cup of sugar, you can use 1 cup of honey. Only if you remove 1/4 cup of the liquid. The liquid could be milk or water. So that's when you can use 1/4 cup of liquid. If it's a recipe with no liquid, just remove 1/4 cup of the honey. In essence, if you want to use a full cup of honey, you reduce the liquid, but if not, you make the honey 3/4 cup. Another healthier and cheaper substitution is using vegetable oil instead of solid fats, butter, and margarine. I have a recipe that calls for 1 cup of solid fats. Use 3/4 cup of vegetable oil. Not sure how to get 3/4 cup? Just remove 1/4 cup from the cup of oil. When you use egg whites in a recipe, this is 2 egg whites from 2 eggs. This is a yolk. 2 egg yolk is equal to 1 whole egg. Let me explain again. 2 egg yolks, this is 2 egg yolks, is equals to 1 whole egg. So what I've been saying is I need 2 eggs for a recipe. I've got 2 egg yolks here. This is 2 egg yolks plus this egg making 2 eggs too. So you can use it in baking or whatever you want to use it. This is 25 grams of chocolate. It's not up to an ounce, just slightly an ounce. If you want to bake a cake or a pudding that you need unsweetened chocolate, all you need to do is use 2.5 tablespoons of cocoa powder. If you want, you could use 1 tablespoon of margarine or butter, and then you can go ahead and have your recipe.